In this video we're going to show how to connect a dimmer pack to a power supply and an LED. Basically a dimmer pack will work only with a fixed color LED, not with an RGB. You are always able to connect the LED directly into the power supply and get it to work, but if you need dimming, you'll have to connect a dimmer pack. The way we do that, on the power supply we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terminals. The first 3 terminals are actually for the power input from the 110 volts. So you have actually you have live, neutral and ground. The ground is your green, that's where you connect your ground, and at that point your live and your neutral, you connect your wires coming from your outlet. So now to connect your outlet, your power from the outlet, you're going to connect your 110. So basically our 110 volts standard plug wire, this is not supplied, gets connected to the 110, to the L, N and ground. The ground is always green. Now to connect your dimmer pack, on the dimmer pack you'll have in and out, and you have V plus, V minus, V plus, V minus on in and out. What's important is the input is the voltage coming from the power supply. Now if you pay attention, on the power supply you have 4 terminals left. 2 of them are common and 2 of them are plus. So your plus will go to your plus and your minus will go into your minus. So the first 2 are actually your common and the next 2 are your plus. So I'm going to jump it. This is my plus. That's my common. And in this case I didn't follow the colors, I just followed the connection. So my minus, that is this one, went to my minus and my plus went to the plus. If I want to continue the same colors like in my wiring, I can always do that. I just chose not to do that to show you that I'm just following the plus to the plus, minus to the minus. At that point, once I did that connection, I'm coming with my LED strip and connecting it into my output. Keep in mind that in this case the plus is the red, the minus is the black. If you are not sure, on some of the LED there'll be a marking next to the coin cutting point that will show plus, minus. This one doesn't have it, but that's why they have 2 colors. Red usually is a plus. So I'm connecting my red to my positive and my. It's very important to make sure that the connection is solid and good, and the way we do that, especially on a very skinny wire, we will pull on them to make sure that the connection is firm. So as you have input is coming from the power supply, output going to the LED strip. Once we connected that, what we're going to do, we're going to connect this to power. And you'll be able to see how I'm able to use now this as a dimmer. And it's actually dimming. And just to cap up, my 3 first connections are the 110 volts coming in, my power supply coming out into the dimmer pack, and from the dimmer pack going into the LED strip.